welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In today's video, I want to share with you guys an unboxing / review on this unit that was sent to me from Mayde Beauty, specifically from their It Girl collection. This is their WINNIE style unit, so if you guys want to see me unbox it as well as a little review, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. But before I go ahead and jump right in, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So as you guys just seen in the unboxing clip, this unit came nicely packaged. I love the fact that it came with a styrofoam wrapping as well as a hairnet around the unit to make sure the unit was protected. Now I did want to go ahead and jump right into the review portion of this video. So when I first received the unit, I noticed that it was a 5-inch lace front ear-to-ear wig, which basically means the part is pretty much the only lace that you have. Everywhere else, as you guys seen, is constructed very nicely. I also wanted to mention to you guys, when I first installed the unit, I noticed that it was very snug to my head. This has been the only unit that I have in my collection where I don't necessarily need to apply any type of lace adhesive to hold the unit down. I did go ahead and apply some Got2b glue to make sure that it looked really nice and flawless for the video, but this is a unit that I will be able to throw on, run some errands, not have to worry about securing it down because it does fit like a glove. Now I did want to come on here and share a few things with you guys about this unit specifically. So like I shared with you guys before, this is in the style WINNIE. They have WINNIE, Carrie, Jonelle, and Jordan. Those are the styles, and in this style, WINNIE in particular, this is 100% virgin human hair. It can be dyed, it can be bleached, it can be permed, and I have it in the length 22 inches, and I believe it comes in an 18-inch, a 20-inch, as well as a 22-inch, so I have the longest length. Now when it comes to the curl pattern, I'm not too sure what the texture is, to be honest with you guys. Once I first received the unit, I noticed that the knots were not bleached, so I went ahead and I bleached the knots, and once I got done bleaching the knots, I went ahead and I washed the unit, and I noticed right from that point the curl pattern was not the same as it was when I originally got the unit and unboxed it. So that's something I did want to mention to you guys. So I did have to go in and throw in some wand curls, because on the back of this hair tag it says that the hair may lose its original curl pattern after wash. To restore curls, wash the hair thoroughly to remove any product buildup. Use heated styling tools or rods to achieve curls. So that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and I used my 1-inch wand curler. Now I have tried using my bubble wand curler on this unit, but the curls don't really resemble the natural original Winnie curl pattern. So I kind of wanted to go ahead and do something similar. So as you guys can see at the top, it does have like a really cute spiral curl. And then once you look closer underneath, it does have like more of a beach wave type of vibe. And I honestly like the beach wave vibe, but I wish it was more consistent throughout this unit. But for $108, I really can't complain, to be honest with you guys, because the hair does feel good. It doesn't shed as often as you would think it would for the low price point, which is amazing. Besides the fact that you don't really have that much versatility with the lace frontal, because all you have right here is just the part, and it does have ear to ear lace, but that's pretty much all the freedom that you have with this unit. So this really isn't a unit for someone who likes to wear their hair maybe on the left side parted one day and the next day wear it down the middle, and later on down the week maybe wear it on the right side parted. Really what you get here is this one part, and that's pretty much it. But again, like I said, this hair can be colored, it can be bleached, it can be permed, and if you want to restore those natural curls, you can always use a heated styling tool to achieve some really cute curls in this unit like what I did. So besides that, I really do like this unit. It doesn't shed a lot, it doesn't get tangled, the hair quality feels really good, it doesn't feel super silky. If I had to put a texture on this, I would say it reminds me of Indian mixed with Brazilian hair. It feels very realistic to what my natural hair feels like. It does have a nice type of texture to it where it will hold a curl if you have to go ahead and use a styling tool without having to apply any type of hairspray or any styling products to hold your curls. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing part as well as how I installed this unit and my review, of course. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will go ahead and leave all the information on this unit down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check them out and go ahead and snatch one of these wigs up, because for this price point and the quality, this definitely is a wig that you should have in your collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.